Alright, so here they are. This is the Pirelli Scorpion. I believe it's like the M series. That's roughly what the tread looks like. So this is for the 29. This is the Pirelli. So I'm going to try these out on my Rip 9 9er and see how good they are. Kind of pumped about it, to be honest. So let's get these mounted up, check them out. Here we go. Most of this looks pretty dry and everything, but we'll try it out. Whew. I don't know if it's because it's just brand spanking new, but it is slinging some small little gravel and stuff up at me. And you can see it slinging it everywhere. Still felt like it was pretty good and connected to the ground. But you can hear, I don't know if y'all can probably hear it with the camera, but it sounds like it's almost kind of like raining all around me, where it's like just slinging little pebbles and stuff everywhere. But at least you know it cleans itself out pretty good. Now back to the slow stuff. We'll do some climbing with it. Definitely no slipping going up that. I know the camera doesn't really show it, but it's pretty steep. It was a little bit of a standing climb through that loose stuff, leaning forward, so I was removing a lot of the weight off the rear. And it was still gripping really good back there. Didn't feel it slip at all, so pretty good there. And so far, I'm pretty impressed. Like I said, the only complaint that I would probably have would be, it could be just right now, like it says, brand new tire, rubber. The way it's just slinging. If you were to ride this in like a real sandy area, I would say you would be completely consumed with sand in your shoes, socks, your mouth. So I'm not sure, may have to do a little bit more long-term mid-usage kind of review again on it, but I mean, as you can tell, it still has all the nipples and everything on it, so yeah, there's no doubt about it. When you first get these set, put on your bike, you definitely want to wear a set of safety glasses, sunglasses, something protecting your eyes, because this stuff is just throwing the dirt, trash, gravel. I mean, it's just throwing some stuff. We're gonna do the outer loop here, so let's go this way. A lot of loose stuff through here, so still feels like it's got plenty of grip, not slipping at all. It's got so much grip that it's, like I said, throwing a whole lot of stuff. Well, I have to say, I thought this was going to be wet back in here. Usually this is wet after a little bit of rain. It's still fairly dry. So traction wise on this, especially on all those roots, you can see there's a bunch of them crisscrossing each other. So you couldn't ever really center up on them. And it, no slipping, nothing. Felt real good the whole time, so. I give it the thumbs up on the root crossings. So even on all these loose leaves and everything, it gives exceptional traction. The rear, no slipping in the front. I mean, it really feels really good as far as good contact with the terrain, you know, no matter what it is, other than wet terrain, because obviously I haven't been exposed to that yet. So that may have to be another day to do a wet terrain review. A little different last time I was here. Like I said, I'm running about 26 pounds front and rear. I guess this is as good a spot as any. After about 5 miles of riding it, feel really good and confident about the traction and all that. Not really any issues with that. Like I said, the only thing, and I know you've heard Harry say it numerous times about how it just throws a lot of stuff up. I honestly didn't notice it there closer to the end of this 5 miles that I've rode so far. So maybe I'll finish this out and everything, finish the rest of it, and I think there's some more sand spots and all that, and I can kind of let y'all know if maybe it was just because they were so brand new and all that, and they had really good, you know, grip on everything. So let's carry on. I'd say for my first ride on it, I'm impressed with the tires. Maybe we'll do some more and may do another one, you know, later on, a little bit more of a long term with the tires, you know, how they hold up and all that kind of stuff. I'll try to keep track of how many miles I put on them too, so we kind of know, you know, how long they'll last as well. So, all right, appreciate it.